Hi, sociologists. I hope you're having a lovely Sunday. So we're wrapping up the week on culture, and hopefully you've been able to kind of explore how culture shaped you and how we look at it as something that is somewhat taken for granted. We don't really even notice it, right? So that kind of thing might lead you to then understand how you came to be who you are. And what we're moving into next is our socialization. And so one of the things to consider when we think about the socialization process is how did the culture shape who I am? And so one of the things that you're going to be doing this week is writing your socialization paper, which is a big paper. It's the big paper of the semester. So you've had it in your syllabus in terms of the assignment from the get-go, so it shouldn't be a surprise to you. But if it is, you have until a week from today to turn it in. I want you to make sure that you do your very best work on it. So I'm gonna walk you through this module so that we're all on the same page. So this module is gonna open at midnight, and you'll be able to see everything on here. But let's go to the socialization paper. So you've got the topic, right? It's kind of who are you in the world? What makes you you? I'm asking you to use one of the three main theories to describe your understanding of who you are. So those three main theories, symbolic interactionism, conflict theory, or structural functionalism, are the three main theories. You looked at them in chapter 1, and those three main theories are used to look at all the concepts that we use throughout the semester. And then you're also going to think about agents of socialization, like your gender, your family, your peer group, your schooling, all sorts of things, like what made you you. So those are on pages 100 to 103 in the book. You can just think about all sorts of things in terms of what made you you, and you can answer the questions that are sort of in this blurb. And then in terms of requirements, it's 8 to 10 pages double spaced. I will mark down if it's not long enough, because this is part of getting you ready to transfer. You need to be able to write a paper of this length. You need to have 3 sources related to the topic. One can be the text or class material. One has to be an academic journal. So if you don't know how to do that, you're going to need to check in with the library page in terms of searching for an academic journal. And then the third source is your choice. We have great librarians that love to help with that sort of stuff. The other thing that's really important for this paper is that you edit it well. Again, you've had since the beginning of the semester to know about this assignment, and now you have a week to write it. I mean, you've had all semester to write it, basically. So I expect it to be well written. If it's really sloppy, then you're going to lose a lot of points on it. So you're going to see also there's a rubric that's attached, so you can see if you have hit all these points, and the paper's out of 75. So that's the big bulk of the assignment for this week, but then you have other things that are going to be part of what you do. So the to-do this week is you're gonna watch the Tough Guys video, okay? So you're gonna watch this basic socialization video, which is very short. Then you're gonna watch the Tough Guys video. And I think what I'll do is I'll embed it somewhere else too so that you can find it easier. And then the forum post for this week will also be the response to the film in addition to the socialization. So you'll have to look at this idea of being male and being violent. So that's what you're doing this semester, or this, I'm sorry, I got distracted, something popped up on my screen. That's what you're doing this week. As usual, if you have any questions whatsoever, you should please contact me, because I'm more than happy to discuss face-to-face, do an email, have a phone call, whatever works for you. All right, so happy writing. It's an autobiography basically with a sociological twist to it. So you get to tell your story. Isn't that fun? Don't you love to talk about yourself? Sociologically, it does seem like most people do, so I figured you would like to talk about you. All right, so I'll see you on the forum, and I look forward to those papers. Take care. Bye-bye.